Hello, welcome to DIY Days. Today we've got another video for you and we're going to make this really cool cards. We've used carton and toilet rolls and yeah, they're really simple to make and fun at the same time. And what we need I'll show you next. So we need obviously toilet rolls, and these are from the toilet paper. We've got carton, a pencil, a marker pen, scissors, with a Stanley knife. Be careful because it's sharp. So we can ask your parents or an adult to use it. Right, paintbrush. We've got a little water bowl, and I've got some four different colors of paint here: white, black, red, and green. You can use any color that you like. I just happen to have these. And we need a glue stick. So first we'll start. We need to paint them first. I'm going to start with green and the other one in red. Obviously it needs to dry afterwards, and then we're going to continue with the other bits. Right, while they're drying, I've got a tape roll here, and what we're going to do is we're going to create a mold for the tires, the wheels. I have to do this 4 times. 8 actually, for 1. Well, I've got 2 cards, so I need 8. Alright, here is the bunch. And obviously we need to paint them as well. 4 in green and 4 in red. Alright, we're gonna continue. So we need our Stanley knife. Like I said, ask an adult or your parents to help you with this, because it's very, very sharp and it's quite dangerous to work with. So we need to cut in the middle of the roll, about 2 centimeters incision. And we go the opposite way as well. Then you can take it apart, where you can open it up and then you can cut it with the scissors. You can also place it in there. You can fold it like that. And you can use the glue stick for this actually. And become a little chair. Right, that's this part done. Right, we need a wheel. I've got the black marker pen here and I'm gonna draw a wheel. Right, one wheel. We're gonna glue it there. You can also make a black line around the edges, and it's a bit more of a realistic wheel. Now I'm going to do the same with the green one. We can make a road out of white paper, which I just popped into my mind. So we need scissors for this and white paper, as you can see. Alright, we can make little strips like we done here. Right, what's sticking out you can just cut off with the scissors, no biggie. And we need a number on there as well. Every card always has a number. And we can write a number on there. On the 5 and 7. Right, we're nearly done, but you can see we miss a big part of these cards. We miss the wheels. Sorry. Oh gosh, I'm gonna connect them to it, but that one fell off, clearly. Press that one as well. You can place the wheels a little bit lower, like under the toilet roll, so that way the toilet roll will reach the floor. It's like a little bit more up, so it's actually driving on top of the wheels. Right, that's our first card done. Well, I think it looks really cool. And yeah, as you could see, we used toilet paper, carton, and some paint and white paper, and that's really pretty much about it. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you, so I'd say have a look on the channel. If you've got any questions or comments, please write them down below and we're happy to answer and reply to them. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon next time. Until bye, it is. Have a good day. Bye.